Guess who is traveling to Seychelles? Me. If you see my legs, guys, I'm traveling to Seychelles tonight. My flight is for 10:25, but I want to drive my car to my friend's place, park it there, so on my way back from Seychelles to Nigeria they can come pick me up. So I'm excited. I'm going to share this experience with you guys. I mean, I've been to Benin Republic, I've been to Ghana, I've been to Egypt. I only made a vlog in Benin Republic since 1980, but places like Ghana and Egypt, I didn't make a vlog. I started but I didn't finish. But this one, we're gonna finish what we started. So join me as I get ready for my trip to Seychelles. My bags are packed. Sorry I did not show you guys when I was packing my bag. I was so tired yesterday. I got back from work, I was so tired. I was so lucky to have my best friend Angel. She came around to help me pack my bags because I'm not good at packing suitcases, like packing clothes. I end up packing things that I don't need, and when I get there I don't even wear them. So I always call on her and I literally beg her to come help me pack. She has gone. I wish she could have stayed longer, but well, my bags are packed. I'll show you guys later, and then let's just dress up. We are going to Seychelles. Yay! Oh, they said Seychelles is a country in East Africa, and you don't need a visa to go to Seychelles. Just have money for flights, which is a little bit cheaper. I think what is really expensive going to Seychelles is accommodation, but if you can get a guest house, those ones are cheaper. It's a country in East Africa. I'm going to get to Kenya, then stay in Kenya for like a couple of hours. That's a layover. Then I go to Seychelles from there. So let's go. Hey guys, I've finally passed the checkpoints, the 101 checkpoints, the immigration. I'm just glad I'm done. Okay, I've checked in, and it is time for me to go and meet my colleagues. Yay! Hey guys, so this is my crew. It's my colleagues I'm traveling with. Hi Sandy, hi Karen. Hello. Hey guys, so we are finally in Nairobi, Kenya, guys. This is Nairobi, Kenya. So we'll be here for about 12 hours or more, and then we'll head to Seychelles. This is my bag.
What do you call your vlogging people? Hey, chat.
Wow. So guys, I got to the hotel and I was very tired. I couldn't even make a video of what the room looks like. But I am dressed up. We decided to explore Kenya just a little bit because we just have less than 12 hours, like I said earlier. So we're going to the Giraffe Centre to see some giraffes and feed them, give them some food. So this is what our room looks like. And this is me. This is one. And this is my girls. Sandy and Karen. Oh yeah. Oh my. So let's go. This is food for the giraffe. We're supposed to feed them, and they've also told us the best way to feed the giraffe. eating boiled pineapple with cinnamon. Cinnamon. I said cinnamon. Hey, they said yeah, there's a cinnamon. So it's cinnamon coating. I've never tasted a hot pineapple. Actually, it doesn't taste bad. They said it's good for digestion. With all the rishi way to make us chop today. This.
Just let you taste it. Let me see what's up.
Turkey? Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Hey guys, so we are on our way out, heading to Seychelles now. Our flight is for 2 a.m. It's early morning, so okay, let's finally go to Seychelles.
I should let you know I'm loving how you did to me slow. Baby, go shell on me, you already know. Got every head turning, I see the press coming. So what you telling me now? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? What's popping? Bad girl, there's no stopping. What's coming? Feeling the energy, adrenaline rushing. Real talk, not real talk, they wanna know. Who's that girl?
Hey guys, so I came to the restroom to give you guys the gist. Then also top up my lipstick, but this is what I'm wearing. I am currently at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and we are on our way to Seychelles in like 3 hours. So we're about to check in. Hopefully, we'll not, go through a lot of issues with immigration. Fingers crossed, because those people. But hopefully, we'll not have any issues, and then we're there in a couple of hours. What do you guys think? Should I wear this? Take it off. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I can do either ways, but this is fine, but I can't wear this now because it's late. It's about, I think, after 10 p.m. in Kenya. Alright guys, let's go. Hey guys, we made it to Seychelles. Yes!